From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. We do have the total lunar eclipse tonight, or early Friday morning is probably a better description of it. The partial eclipse begins a little after 1 o'clock, but the total eclipse begins at around 2:26. The maximum eclipse just before 3 o'clock Friday morning, and then it'll kind of end gradually. The total eclipse ends 3:31, and the partial eclipse ends 4:47. The next total lunar eclipse, at least visible in the United States, will be next March on the 3rd. That would be 2026. And that's what kind of the moon will look like later tonight and as we go into early parts of your Friday morning. We're also watching the potential for some strong storms on Sunday. As of now, the timing looks to be Sunday morning, but this can change a little bit. Main potential risk are going to be damaging wind gusts and can't rule out some flash flooding. So you do want to stay weather aware as we get a little bit closer to the weekend. Saturday, if you're going to be traveling, especially out towards the west and parts of Alabama and Mississippi, you notice that red area. That's a moderate risk for severe weather. That severe weather opportunity will shift a little bit more towards the east, especially as we go into Sunday. Storm Prediction Center does have most of the Carolinas and all of the Midlands highlighted with that threat for severe weather. Also that chance for excessive rainfall. So we'll have to watch that potential for some flash flooding. As far as the rainfall totals are concerned, over the next 7 days, Weather Prediction Center is indicating anywhere from about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches with some higher amounts in the upstate of South Carolina. But for today, pretty quiet weather. We'll have a few more clouds compared to yesterday. So we'll call it mostly cloudy skies. As skies should start to clear up a little bit tonight, just enough to see the lunar eclipse. And then for tomorrow, we'll call it mainly sunny. A few clouds possible, especially as we go later in the day. And then looking ahead towards Saturday, small chance for a few showers in the extreme eastern part of South Carolina over towards the Grand Strand and the PD. But for us here across the Midlands, we do expect dry conditions until we get to Sunday, when that strong cold front does approach our area, and then we will have that opportunity for showers and some thunderstorms with the possibility for some flooding. So we'll be watching that. You can kind of see the rain moves in and then moves out late in the day on Sunday, and then our weather should improve. And as we mentioned, that total lunar eclipse is tonight. So if you're out early Friday morning, you may want to check the lunar eclipse out. Yesterday, if you're outside, you noticed how warm it was. It was 80 degrees in the capital city. No rain yesterday, but we did pick up some rain on Monday. Our next best chance rain, obviously, is on Sunday. Pollen's going to be high both today and tomorrow, and it's juniper, birch, and elm trees causing those seasonal allergy issues if you're suffering at this point. Upper 80s, specifically 88 is our record high, set in 1990. The record low set in 1998. We dropped all the way down to 20 degrees. Record rainfall was set in 1993, and the record snowfall, a little over an inch, back in 1993. If you are heading to St. Patrick's Day in 5 Points, we'll call it partly cloudy. It will be breezy at times as that cold front approaches. Winds coming out of the south, 15 to 20 miles per hour with some stronger gusts. We're looking for a high of 78 degrees. Our average is 68, so that's about 10 degrees above our average. Temperature is very warm all across the Midlands, even with mostly cloudy skies, highs in the mid to upper 70s. Not going to cool off a whole lot tonight with lows in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. We'll call it partly cloudy, and then upper 70s to near 80 degrees Friday, low 80s on Saturday. We do have Sunday highlighted for the potential for strong thunderstorms, maybe severe weather as well. We'll continue to track that. Mid 60s on St. Patrick's Day, and the weather will be pretty quiet and start to warm back up, it looks like, by Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Showers and storms are expected for the second half of the weekend in Myrtle Beach. Charleston, more of the same. Showers and storms on Sunday. And in the upstate of South Carolina, cloudy skies on Saturday. Pretty good chance for showers and storms on Sunday, and then the weather does improve. Warmer than normal conditions 8 to 14 days out, March 20th through the 26th, and we also expect a small chance for wetter than normal conditions during that same time frame. You can always follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great Thursday and enjoy the warmer than normal conditions.